whatever. It's booking on time.
I am also known as Kobe. Do people call you
Yes,
Kobe
they
all
still
the time?
call me Kobe until now. And the weird part is, di ba, Kobe's in America. They're like,
Yeah.
oh, Kobe, ginagawa mo sa Pilipinas. I'm like, then I'm not Kobe.
I've been here, guys, because I'm Andre.
It's weird. That's why they always call me Kobe.
I mean, mukha naman silang kapatid, but they
Yeah.
all look alike.
May same
Yeah,
As in,
person.
diba? Sobrang nakakaiba.
Parang similar, pero alam mo na si Andre looks like Andre and Kobe looks like
Oo.
Kobe.
Sige, ano bang interesting dito?
He is married with his bed. That's
Yes.
his romantic
Anong ginagawa mo sa
status.
bed mo?
Yeah.
I love to sleep because, you know, naman, we work together, you know, taping
Yes.
natin is like,
So you love to
more
sleep
to my-
together?
I just love to sleep in my bed.
Balita ko nga you love to sleep at taping also.
Oh yes, during pag-action tulog.
Anong, Scorpio ka daw?
Yes, I'm
Alam mo,
Scorpio.
you know what they say about Scorpios?
We are
Mahilig
very-
talaga sila.
Yes, mahilig kami maging makulit.
Kasi ano eh, di ba yung Scorpio, parang it has this tail,
Yeah.
matulis.
Oo.
Ito, ayaw mong sagutin
Matulis
kasi wala
na.
kang experience, sabi
No,
mo.
I am not no
Wala ka
experience. I don't. I'm sorry. I'm really.
Alam mo yung
not
so you
interested.
and me, baby, and
Ito nakakainis talaga.
Ang sabi niya?
Feeling ko, inaasar lang tayo ni Andre using our book eh. Define love.
Okay.
More than a crush.
Yes.
Define crush.
Less
Less
than
than
love.
love.
Yes.
Napakalalim naman ng
Eh,
personality.
paikot-ikot tayo dito eh.
Boy na to, no?
And then gusto ko lang malaman nyo na if we invite him in Taste Buddies again, he will say yes. Ito,
Dahil,
chinek niya lahat ah. Chinek niya lahat. Maliban lang sa isa. He will do it again because mataas ang TF, maraming pagkain, hindi siya busy,
Ah,
at gusto niya
gano'n.
may out of the country.
Oo, tama.
Pero may isang natitira. Crush ko ang host.
Hindi ba-
Lahat ng guests natin dito, as in, yung pinaka-reason na gusto nilang bumalik dito sa Taste Buddies dahil crush nila ang
You did not
host.
let me explain. Did you see my
You
answer?
are not gonna eat anything.
You know why hindi crush?
Bakit?
Kasi
Bakit?
love. Oh.
Kasi more than a crush.
Oh, see? You did not connect.
You know what?
Babalik ako dito.
Burn! Burn!
Sunog!
Anyways, salamat Andre for being so game. Kahit we're not your crushes, okay lang yan.
Sabi ko nga
Yeah,
love.
we're just a little hurt. We're just a little hurt.
Thanks mga kapuso for joining us. Please join us next Saturday. I'm Solen.
Yes, and be sure to follow us on all of our social media pages. I'm Rian.
I'm Kobe.
And we are your Taste Buddies!
Taste your